welcome to part 3 of how to import a template. This is to show you how to import your custom or own HTML email once you've inserted the required tags in the HTML file. Alright, once you've logged in, click on import email template. It will bring you to the first step of importing your template. Over here you've got your choose file button. Click choose file and browse to your desktop where you save the email. Alright, click on the HTML file, click open, and on the upload HTML template. Now it will take you to the second step. It firstly shows you the images that's found in the HTML. This now you have to upload. Just make sure once you insert images in your HTML, it must be directly, the image name must be directly in the image tag. So it shouldn't contain any file path whatsoever. So you should just insert the plain image name in the image tag. Alright, so now click the choose file button. It will browse, select the image that's found. It's this one. Click open and upload image. So now the final step is where you actually import and save your template. Okay, from this template drop down, just go to the HTML file, select it from there, and specify a name. So let's make it Christmas test. Okay, so this is the name of your template. Or if you want to overwrite an existing template, then you simply click this overwrite all template tick box, and then it will overwrite the existing template. Just make sure that you select it from the drop down which one to replace. If not, if it's a new one, then you don't have to tick this, so you can just add it as a new one. Alright, once done, you can click import. Alright, now it gives you a message that your template has been imported successfully. So now you'll be able to find your imported email under your templates drop down. So it will be on the very first step when you create your campaign. Hope this helps. Till next time.